Good morning and welcome to Walmart. We are here because we need to clean at home. And to clean at home, we want to buy a new vacuum mop thing. I don't know. We're going inside. We're going to figure out what we want. We're going to buy one. We're going to unbox it and we're going to try it out. And you guys should come join us. Won't you? Well, we're debating about getting new carpet. We could always use a new carpet scrubber. That's not why we're here. We're here for hardwood stuff. That's an option, but I think we want to do a steamer. A carpet steamer. That's what we're in the market for. Okay, floorless washers. But I don't know if these are steamers. I don't think these are steamers.
Steamer.
Is that a steamer?
Yeah.
I think it's just a cordless mop. Oh, Mama says they're behind us. Okay, let's go look. Ah, found them. There's a mop and a scrubbing mop. And there's a Lincoln that found a bicycle and is riding around Walmart. The question is now, do we get the Bissell SpinWave?
Get over here now.
Or do we get the Shark? Okay, read some reviews online. Bissell gets a 4.6 stars with 3,000 reviews. A lot of people love this. There are a couple minor things that people mentioned. But the Shark got a 4.4, a little bit lower. There's only 1,000 reviews, and it seems to be people complain about the Shark more, even though they give them 5 stars. I've never understood that. You actually have to read the reviews, not just look at the stars. So I think Bissell it is. We'll take it home, we'll unbox it, and we'll try it out and let you guys know what we think. Guys, we brought the SpinWave home. We've opened it up. We are ready to unbox it. See how easy this is to assemble. It looks like there's only a few parts. A handle, a mop, a body, and some pads, and a trial selection of formulas. Now we're going to try this on this hardwood floor, but it's not hardwood floor. It's like a linoleum floor. And we're also going to try it on the tile floor. See how well it does on both of those. May even try on this little foam letter pad over there. See how it does on that. So we'll see. We'll see how well it works. But let's get all this out, put it together, and go from there. Okay. Got all the cardboard out of the box. Got this out of the box. Pretty much comes with everything we just said. The handle looks like it just snaps in place after you unwrap everything. Got some extra pads. Got a little trial bottle of solution. And of course, instructions. So this looks like it's simple, snap together, start using right away. Okay, well that snapped together just like it looked like it did. The handle snapped into that, everything's fine. We've got 2 kinds of pads, a rough surface that Velcros on, or a like not so rough surface that Velcros on. A bottle that tells you where to fill it up to for a small room and for a large room. And then it's supposed to come with 2 bottles of this, a multi-surface and a wood surface, but we're missing a bottle. I don't know. We're just missing a bottle. I'm not going to worry about it because we don't have wood surfaces here. But we do actually upstairs in the bedrooms. So good thing to know that you need 2 different formulas for 2 different things. That's good to know. But yeah, we're going to fill this up. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to steam our floors. And we're off and cleaning the floor. To be honest, we just filled it up to the line, added the solution to the line, plugged it in, and you go to town. Turn it on, it scrubs, and you press the spray button, and it sprays the solution. So yeah, it's a nice little cleaner. Now just to clarify, and we kind of screwed this up ourselves, this is not a steamer. We were looking for a steamer. We thought this was a steamer. It's not a steamer. It's a scrubber.
Oops.
Yeah, but I mean, it's doing a good job scrubbing the floor. I mean, you can see, like, this is clean and that's not clean. So you can see on the camera how well it's doing. It's very easy to use. So yeah, I still like it. I still think it's worth it. And you said you could clean carpet with this?
Area rugs, it said.
Area rugs. Okay, I'm really interested on how it's going to go on this foam pad.
Yeah, exactly.
We're definitely going to try that out. Okay, cleaning the mats. We're going to see how well this does. We're going to check out the 6. The 6 got a little stain on it. I want to see how well it does cleaning the stain on the 6. You can just spray it and let it do its work. Oh, that came right off. I'm actually impressed. I like it. Long as the floor is already clean, like free of dust, is what I meant to say. This does a really good job. I'm impressed. We're going to finish cleaning this room, and then when we're done with that, we're going to go see how well it does on this tile. So we decided to see if Lincoln could do it, and he's actually doing a good job. He does need help because when it spins, it walks him away.
What? Do you want to see how it walks him away? He wants you to see.
Here, okay.
Got
So
it?
if we let go, it just takes him and he just goes with it. So 4-year-old, maybe not, but maybe a 6-year-old, I think could use this no problem.
Come on.
Definitely 6-year-old could use this no problem. So yes, kid friendly. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Keep in mind, typically we normally just use a mop and bucket, and that's not the cleanest way to clean. Also, this has probably been a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks since we've mopped. So I feel like that's really good. Shows you how well these really do. I'm quite impressed. I give it a thumbs up. I like it. I would definitely recommend it. Well, it is a few days later, and what we did was we did the whole play area. Yeah, now it's a disaster. It's after the birthday party. The room is a disaster. I get it. But we cleaned the room with the spin mop. Then we washed the pads, because you see how dirty they were. They came out practically perfect. They came out nice and clean. We went and worked on the tile. This tile. That came out really well. Then we went upstairs and did some of the floors, the wood floors. The wood floors you just got to watch. You don't use too much of the spray. Not because I don't think you can use too much spray. I'd feel safer not using a lot of spray on wood floors, natural wood floors. But yeah, that spin mop did just amazing. Amazing. And I don't think it's called a spin mop. I actually don't remember what it's called. But the scrub mop, yeah, thumbs up, man. I like it. I did go back and realized what happened is we bought Bissell, and Bissell was just a mop. Whereas the other one, and I forget what it was, is a mop and steamer in one. So, yeah, maybe we bought the wrong one. I don't know. We really, really, really like what we bought. We're keeping it. We're going to go keep it, use it. We'll probably go buy a steam mop separate and use that. That way, you know, we could be doing different things, different areas. I really like it. I give it a thumbs up. It's 100% a no-brainer to buy the spin mop, the Bissell mop. Yeah, so there you go. A not really professional review of the mop. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a big thumbs up if you did. Also, remember to smile. It confuses people. And we'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.